સો થોડું મારું બધું ગુજરાતી ઇંગ્લિશ મિક્સ હશે. એક જમાનો હતો કે ગુજરાતી પર મારું ઘણું પ્રભુત્વ હતું, પણ હવે જતું રહ્યું છે, કારણ કે મેં લખ્યું હતું ને કે વિચારો બધા ઇંગ્લિશમાં ચાલતા હોય. પણ થેન્ક યુ સો મચ, બધાનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર અહીંયા આગળ આવ્યા બદલ. કારણ કે આજના જમાના ખબર છે કે 10 જણને ભેગા કરવા હોય તો ઇટ્સ વેરી ડિફિકલ્ટ થિંગ, રાઈટ? બધાને પોતપોતાના લાઈફ એજન્ડા હોય, અને આજે તો વસંત પંચમી છે, આટલી બધી લગ્નની સિઝન છે, છતાં તમે બધા અહીંયા છો તો ગીવ યોરસેલ્ફ અ બિગ રાઉન્ડ ઓફ અપ્લોઝ, બીકોઝ યુ there is something deep inside your heart that pulled you here than somewhere else, right? Every one of you probably could have been somewhere else today, right? It's a Sunday, Vasant Panchami, marriage season, perfect weather, right? It's not hot weather, it's not too cold. This is the perfect time to do something else, but you chose to be here with the people that you barely knew, right? Like Nalin Bhai was saying that he knew only 2 people, just like me. Like I know few of the people who are my college mates, classmates, batchmates, things like that. But I guess not more than 10 or 15 at the most I knew before the group. So that is the power of travel. So everybody, now think about it, that if you ask 100 people that, okay, you can go anywhere in the world, you don't have to worry about the money, would you like to travel, right? Now, how many will say no to that? Very few, right? That means to travel is everybody's dream, and we are so privileged to be able to travel. Like Nalin Bhai said that he traveled 65 plus country, I traveled 65 country. Even, there are a lot of people who have traveled so many countries, and we have so much of travel experience. And those of you attended my Antarctica Zoom call, they know it. I talk about this, that typically it takes 4 things to be able to travel. First and foremost is health. Like Hemant covered about that you have to be healthy to be able to travel, because Robert Kennedy, the one who is becoming Health and Human Services Secretary in US, he said one thing is that the person who is healthy has 1,000 dreams, but the person who is sick has only one dream, which is to get better, right? So if you are healthy, count your blessing, because there will be somebody who will be willing to give everything they have to be in a health that you have, right? No matter what condition of the health you are in, if you are able to travel, that means you have, oh, here comes Kashmir. I was trying to fill up all these things because I was waiting for Kashmir. So give us a round of applause. And that's my son Stavan, and that's his girlfriend Reagan. Come on in. Let me introduce to them. The reason she is late is because she is sick, unfortunately. But she took Dolo and azithromycin and everything. She was sick since morning, but then she got more sick in the afternoon, so she was resting. So she could not come with me. But Kashmira, Reagan, Stavan. So I'm going to give mic to them just a little bit, and then I'll continue. So here is Kashmira.
Hi everybody, we are happy to be in India. Happy to be in India, is wonderful, a lot of changing. I see a lot of branches and a lot of stores, We did the shopping also, so love to do the shopping, so we went for shopping. And then we take a rest and we came. But exciting about all the people, about going in a world tour and going different places, and a lot of pictures, you posted. That's why we can just look at, and we have also dream from after your picture, we choose the which city we want to go. So Rakesh have a lot of list, but we finalize one after another. And all the best places we want to finish it before we just going further, So as a main thing, we can finish it and then we can go to different countries. But very excited about the meeting you everywhere. And here is the.
Yes. Hi everyone, my name is Stavan. I really appreciate you guys all being here. I was actually born here, but this is my first time being back to India in almost 15 years. So it's really great to see everyone's smiling faces and very happy to be here. But continue traveling, continue connecting with each other, and thank you for showing up today. I'll pass it to my girlfriend Reagan.
Hello, my name is Reagan. It's so nice to meet all of you. This is my first time in India, so thank you for sharing this country with me. And It's been so wonderful to explore it so far. We're on day 2 of our 14-day journey, and it's also cool to see like-minded travel individuals bring a community together. So, thank you.
All right, thank you. Also, for I think I mentioned in the group one time that Stavan is 25 years old and he's already traveled 45 countries, right, Stavan? Is that the latest count, 45? So it's in our genes. The whole genetic makeup of our generation is changed now. Before me, there was nobody was traveling. The only travel we would do was from Sabarmati to Kalapur. That was our traveling, or maybe once in a while to Maudi. That's all we did traveling wise. And my boy used to live in Wardha near Nagpur, so I've been to Wardha twice. So that's my travel before medical college. Then we traveled a little bit. But as I was telling you about what it takes is the first thing is health. Okay, so guard health as much as you can with the means that you have, because no matter how much wealthy you are, if you don't have a health, you will not be able to travel. Okay, so that is the first thing that it takes. The second thing is obviously wealth. It takes money to be able to travel. No matter how many cheap tickets you can buy. I know there are a lot of cheaptickets.com, cheap.com, but ultimately every cheap does take money, right? They don't give you ticket without the money, so it takes money. And then the third thing it takes is the time, because if you don't have time, you're not going to be able to. These are a simple thing, but once you have that clarity of mind, you know what it takes. But the most important thing is the passion to travel. Because that nobody can give you. It has to come from within, because you will meet a lot of people who will have perfect health. They will have amazing amount of money. They will have a lot of time, but they just don't want to travel. That's it, and that's fine. We are not here to put anybody down who doesn't want to travel, but everybody here is here because they want to travel. So we all have to have that passion, is desire. Like Hemant Lewa, he has that burning desire to climb every summit and every continent, right? So that is the burning desire for Hemant and Surabhi. But for me, once I reached the Everest base camp, oh wow, I did some amazing things. I can keep talking about it for the rest of my life, right? Every new person comes, I can talk about Gorakshep and Kalapathar and how dangerous the landing in the Lukla was, right? The Namche Bazar was great and all those things. We can talk about it, but for me it was a one-time deal. For Hemant, it's a life. And you can see that the passion that you see, right? Same thing with Krupesh, the guy who was recording the video. For him, the travel means to spread the music, because not only he's a doctor, but he's a musician and his whole family is into the music. So that drives him to travel. So we all have a different reason, different ways. Like Hirenbhai travels because his hobby of puzzle and all other stuff like Houseum, that he has converted his home into the house. So we all travel for different reasons, but ultimately we all want to travel. So I have written many times that we go out so that we can go in, because every time we meet a new person, every time we try a new food, every time we get lost in some different street than we were supposed to be. I'm sure somebody still lost finding where is Urban Banjara, right? Because we have, I think, 5 or 10 people missing from 150, like Kuntal was saying, like Kuntal, 10% dropout rate. So probably we are reaching the 10% dropout rate, but that's okay. But it was a great situation to be in, where we had to tell people that we can't accommodate anymore. Like Nalin Bhai's phone, right? Everybody was calling him. Can we come? We forgot to fill out the form, and we had to say no, not this time, because you can see that we are full capacity, that hardly any seat left, and they have to keep bringing the new sofas so that people can sit. So now going back to what brought us together, the first thing was travel. But obviously the group, because we all have a zillion group in our WhatsApp. But I bet anybody who's here, 2 o'clock in the night, if your eyes wake up, you wake up, and Kashmira can verify that when I put my hand like this, when I take my phone, first thing I say is what? Life of travel, right? I'm sure most of the people will agree with that, because we all have that curiosity that, oh, where is Hirenbhai today? Where is Hemant today? Where is Jitendra today, right? He's in Goa, but he's not going to the beach. Why is he going to the Goa, right? Something like that. So I'm talking about my thought process. I don't know how you think about it, but like Chinmay, he saw in the group that there is a meeting happening, and he flew all the way from California just to be here. Then people, so thank, give him a big round of applause. Because You know, one of the reason we have a 150 people crowd here is because I made so much a big deal about. You can see that I'm like a marketing guy. I'm not a marketing guy. Okay? So I'm an emergency medicine doctor. I don't know how to market the people. I just speak from the heart, and it looks like I'm marketing, right? So I made that a big deal out of him coming all the way from China, because that tells a lot about what this group represent. You know, and you look around, everybody is, I think, almost 70% is a doctor, and if they're not doctors, they're who is who in their industry. So this group has attracted some cream of the crop from all over the world. And obviously a lot of people could not be here because they were not physically in the town. And you know, they're in the other countries, but they're here in the spirit, so to be with us. So, you know, March 2023, I, you know, had that idea that, okay, I should have, because I like travel, there should be somebody as crazy as like me, right? Because I cannot be alone in this world who likes to travel so much. So I think from a group, and I talked to a few of my friends and they joined. But then suddenly the word of mouth started going around and people started joining and people started sending the link, and before you know it, we crossed 1,000 within I think 8 months or so, and it's consistently, it's there in between 1,000 and 1,025. Some come, some go. But there is a constant group of the people who are in for life. You know, like, I know that Nalin Bhai will be in for life. I know my son will be there in for life. I know Paresh Modi will be in for life. Everybody, you know, because this is what binds us together. So in the group, those who are in the group for, let's say, since the beginning, it's almost 2 years now in the March, you must have noticed that people have started putting little bit longer messages. You know, mine are always big essays. You know, I don't know how many of you read, but a lot of people have told me that you actually read what I write. That's a good thing, because I can say that the way they quote what I wrote, I see that they have read my write-up. But I write because I like to write and I like to express. You know, not caring much about who reads it, but I know that people who are into it, they're going to read about it. So one thing what we all can do is, we can start responding to what we see. Like the moment you see, like Robert posting from Bali, something happens in your heart. The only difference between those who are not writing, I'm writing, is because I start expressing what I feel. Oh, I see that tree. Like one time somebody posted a picture, and I started comparing it with Bob Ross, the painter. The way he paints his picture is, I taken his class, so I know him. And he's dead, but his class is going on. So there were layers of the painting that he was creating, that first the mountain, and then the tree, and then the river, and then there's the animal and things like that. So I saw that and I started describing it, and it just came out because I was expressing what I was feeling. So, because when you write more than 3 lines to anything, not just a travel post or anywhere, when you go beyond 3 lines, that is where you will actually start thinking about what you are writing, because it is great to write, wow, awesome picture, great, enjoy. These are the standard things we write, which is great. I'm not saying that don't do that, but if possible, go beyond those 3 sentences and write something more that touches your heart. You're not writing to get a like or a share or anything like that. There's no social media, garbage here. Nobody cares how many people like my post and how many share, nothing like that. The reason I write is because it helps me clarify my own thing. Like when I was writing about Antarctica, I'm sure some of you read that post about the midnight that I was awake, Kashmir was sleeping, and I was looking through the window, and everything I saw, I was describing that this is what I'm seeing, this is what I'm feeling. So start doing that, because that will help clarify your own feelings. So that will help you know yourself, because that is how I'm knowing myself. That when I remember Antarctica now, I have programmed my brain in such a way that I can add my spirituality to that. So I will encourage everybody to start writing something more. When you see Hemant Leva say, oh, this is the, probably remember my post about the toilet, Hemant Leva post, right? Mount Vincent, right? So I paid attention to the last part where he showed the toilet, and I made such a big deal about it, the toilet in Antarctica. So whatever gets your attention, just write about it, more than 3 lines, because in this day and age of Snapchat and Twitter, where people just write only lol or whatever short forms, it is a privilege to be able to write and read a good poetic writing or good literature. So this group is going to help all of us become that kind of a minded, where you are actually looking to read a long thing, because it's going to increase my attention span and it's going to help me understand myself. So that's what I would recommend, the interaction. Second thing is, you can see that there are some repeat offenders in our group who will be posting all the time, and there are some people who always like to be in the audience, right? So if you are one of those who were in the audience, now you know the people in the real life. These are not virtual anymore, right? I think probably this would be the first WhatsApp group in the world who actually met personally like this, who never knew each other before, right? We are all so, like Hemant, we got one more record, right? You are the first doctor couple going to the Mount Everest summit, and this is the first WhatsApp group who actually met, and this is just the beginning, because we are going to make a big deal out of it again, right? Because it's a big deal, because you all spared the whole evening out of your life. People came from Udaipur and Mehsana and Botad and obviously California and Kutch. Where else? Who drove more than 100 kilometers today? Baroda, yes, Baroda, I think too. The Pinaki, Sarang and Ravikant Bhai came from Anand. Who else? Oh, Yatin came from Surat. Okay, anybody else drove more than 100 kilometers? But still, even if you drove 10 kilometers on Sindhu Bhavan Road, I think it's worth 100 kilometers, right? So you all need a round of applause, because you came here and made this evening a superb evening. And Nalin Bhai tried to give me credit. Like you saw my post, like pehle aap kind of thing, like I was praising Nalin Bhai, Nalin was praising me, right? But the reality is that I was sitting 10,000 miles away, so I didn't do any work. The work was done by Nalin Bhai and where is Paragi Ben? क्या समझे क्या Paragi Ben? Check Kunama. Oh, okay. So they are the one who came here and checked everything out. And where is Amar? Amar. Okay. So Nalin Bhai just, as he said, that we are planning at his home, and then we kind of expanded and all those things. So he's the one, and Paragi Ben, they came here, finalized the menu and the pricing and all those things. So initially he told me that, like we were expecting, maybe 30, 40 people, 50 people. And he said, I'm going to take care of the money part. I say, no. મફત ન હોય ને કોઈને બહુ કદર ના હોય, મફતનો માલ મળે એટલે બધાના હિસ્સોમાં ચાલે. અમે એવું નહીં, પૈસા તો રાખવાના જ. એટલે પછી અમારી જોડે બધી વાતચીત કરીને વી કેમ અપ કે ભાઈ પર ડિશ 900 રૂપિયા થવાના, એટલે વી કેપ ધ ચાર્જ ફોર 900 રૂપિયા, કે ભાઈ એન્ટ્રન્સ ફી 900 રૂપિયા. પછી તો એમને શું સુરાધન ઉપડ્યું, એટલે મને કહે કે ના, હવે તો હું જ કરવાનો. મેં કીધું કેમ? તો કે મારે સી he has a thriving IT company, so Bhagwan, he's blessed with the money, okay? But you all gave him a reason. કેમ કે લગભગ 150 જણા થશે, બરોબર? તમે હજારની ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ 1.5 લાખ તો થવાના ના છે, રાઈટ? એટલે 1.5 લાખ ફટાક દઈને ખિસ્સામાંથી આપવાની જે માણસની શું કે દરિયાદિલ જોઈએ, that is something different, right? એટલે what made him do it? Because he realized the value of getting around with the people like you. So you added that sense of, big heart, that, what, this is a privilege, this is an honor to be able to do it. And we do the same in a reciprocation, that it's an honor for us to have a person like him who was willing to do it. And then, so when he did it, we didn't talk about putting the money in the charity or anything like that. He just told me that, I don't want to take any money. Whatever money, if somebody want to give, they can put it in the Dropbox. So as I wrote down in the group, so anybody who wants to contribute, this is totally voluntary. Don't take it as a sales speech, okay? So there is a box there. You can put whatever you want to put it. If you don't want to put it, no big deal, okay? Because ultimately the whole box is going straight to the Sahyog Trust and other charity that he is supporting in Dahod, okay? He is going to pay the bill, and the charity will go straight there. So this is the kind of the people we are dealing with, people with a big heart. And this is just the beginning, because we are going to introduce yourself. We'll figure out how we're going to do it with everybody. So those who have આપણે જમવાની વાર છે
મારું તો તૈયાર છે પણ બધાને ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન
આપણે થોડા લબડાવવાના એટલે પછી બેસી રહે
સ્ટાર્ટર કર્યું એટલીસ્ટ તમારે જે ભૂખ્યા હોય તો થોડીક તો પેટમાં શાંતિ
હા
શું
સો સ્ટાર્ટઅપ હા એટલે અડધી આપણે પાટ આખી ગેસ છે એટલે ચાલશે
આપણે સૂપ સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ છીએ એટલે
અને ફરી સૂપ તમારી જોડે હશે તમારા સૂપ જોડે નહીં જવાનું યસ સો હા એ એક્ઝેક્ટલી માણસો નથી મળવાના ખાવાનું તો મળવાનું છે અને સી આવું ફરી ક્યારે થશે એ તો ભગવાન જાણે કારણ કે હું 6.5 વર્ષે આવ્યો અહીંયા આગળ more than 6 years I would love to come back and probably I'll be back next January I don't know but પછી મારે પેલું શું કે હિરેનભાઈ કહેતા હતા ને કે ભાઈ કાઉન્ટિંગ કન્ટ્રી મારું આખું માઇન્ડસેટ ઓપોઝિટ છે હું અત્યારે પેલું કે કાઉન્ટિંગ કન્ટ્રીના મોડમાં છું એટલે ભાઈ હવે 65 થયા 66 થયા 67 થયા અને ચેકમાં ઓકે હવે નેક્સ્ટ કન્ટ્રી કયો વી આર ઇન ધેટ મોડ રાઇટ નાવ એટલે વી ડોન્ટ નો કે વિચ કન્ટ્રી વિલ ટેક પ્રાયોરિટી ફોર અસ નેક્સ્ટ યર બટ હોપફુલી વિલ કમ બેક બટ લેટ અસ મેક ધીસ એઝ the benchmark for everybody કારણ કે we have a more than 1000 people in group 1 and around 200 people in group 2 if you kind of remove that people who are in the both the groups we still have around 1200 people core people who are part of this in the various cities so we would like to see Rajkot have a large group who is part of the group so they can do their own get together they can get inspired like a lot of people are posting okay do the live telecast and post a lot of videos so I encourage everybody to take a lot of videos short clips you don't have to put 30 minutes video but short clips because that will inspire people that's how the reason I got inspired to go to America because I saw somebody had sent a card a picture of the America so that's how I got the dream saying I need to go to USA okay so you take the video post the pictures and that way other people get inspired we need to get together like this because it's great to hang out with people like this now Nirmal Bhai from Udaipur had posted okay we should plan a get together of life or travel maybe it's too early right now because we still starting to know each other because managing a tour or something like that it's a headache those who arrange it they know it that managing people is a big you can never make everybody happy there's always one person who will have a complaint about everything right the food was that and everything so we are not jumping on that right now but at least we should meet more frequently feel free to extend each other's number okay just that way you will be able to talk to them and I won't be in the picture I'll be out of the picture but you guys can like a lot of people have already met that they never knew like Hiren bhai met Jitendra Robert met Sanjay bhai in Texas and we like Ravi Trivedi I think probably he has to leave he's from Chicago but through his contact we met somebody in Nairobi his brother-in-law so the lot of cross connections are happening all over so do that and what we'll do is we'll start because as I said in the post that the purpose of this meeting is introduction and connection so that's all we're going to do there is nothing fancy nobody's going to maybe who knows Yatin may sing later on he's a great singer from Surat but it depends ક્યાં સુધી બધાને રહેવું છે અને શું કરે there is no fixed agenda બધું જે મનમાં આવે કરવાનું ચિન્મય you want to say something come on in
Thank you for reading my mind. મન હોય તો માળવે જવાય એટલે જો પ્રવાસ કરવો હોય તો મન હોવું જોઈએ તો પછી માળવે લઈ જાય અને માળવામાં કેટલા આપણે ફરવા ગયા છે એ ખબર નથી પણ ઇન્ડિયાનું ડેસ્ટિનેશન એટલા માટે હું બોલું છું કે મારે આ માઇક જોઈતું હતું હાથમાં કે ઇન્સ્ટેડ ઓફ પોસ્ટિંગ સમથિંગ ઇન વોટ્સએપમાં શું થાય છે કે મેસેજ તમે જો 1-2 દિવસ ના જો તો પછી આપણું ગ્રુપ એટલું પ્રોલિફિક છે કે 100-200 મેસેજ એના પછી સ્ક્રોલ અપ થઈ જાય છે એટલે આજે અહીંયા 150 માણસ ભેગું થયું છે તો મારે એક પ્રશ્ન પૂછવો છે અને પછી વી કેન ઓલવેઝ ટેક ઇટ ઓફલાઈન અને પરસ્યુ ઇટ પણ પ્રવાસ પગપાળા કર્યો હોય તો એની પણ મજા જુદી છે અને યુરોપમાં છે જેમ અમેરિકામાં આપણે PCH છે, પેસિફિક ક્રેસ્ટ ટ્રેલ છે, પછી એપેલેશિયન ટ્રેલ છે. યુરોપમાં તો ઘણી બધી લાંબી ટ્રેલો છે. મેં કરેલી છે ટૂર ધ મોન્ટ બ્લોન્ક કરીને છે. એવી બધી ટ્રેલો પર ચાલવાથી લોકોને મળવાનું પણ ઘણો આનંદ આવે છે, કારણ કે દેશ પરદેશના લોકો તમારી સાથે જ ચાલતા હોય અને તમે 5 મિનિટના નહીં પણ 5 દિવસના પ્રવાસમાં જોડે હો એટલે મિત્રતા પણ ઘણી સારી થાય. તો મને થાય છે કે ભારતમાં પણ આપણે આવી લાંબી ટ્રેલો કેમ એસ્ટાબ્લિશ થઈ નથી હજી સુધી મોટા પાયે, અને એ કરવી જોઈએ. અને લગભગ તમને બધાને તો અહીંયા મોટાભાગના જે છે એ લોકોને એક્સપિરિયન્સ છે. તમે અહીંયા રહો છો તો કદાચ તમારો સાથ અને તમારો સહભાગથી એવી કંઈક આપણે ઝુંબેશ ઊભી કરીએ કે જેમાં ભારતમાં પણ, આખા ભારતમાં હજારો કિલોમીટરની ટ્રેલો જો ચાલવાથી ચાલી શકાય એવી ટ્રેલો ઊભી થાય તો ભારતીયોને પણ ચાલવાની પોતાના દેશમાં આ તક મળે. પણ જે ફોરેનથી આવે છે એ લોકોને પણ ભારતનું ગામડું જોવાની અને ગામડામાં ચાલવાની અને એ જે તક મળે તો આઈ થિંક એ લોકોને પણ ભારત એક ખોજ ખરેખર એમને મળે. શરૂઆત કરવા માટે કદાચ પૂછવો તો એક પ્રશ્ન કે ઇન ધ પાથ ઓફ મહાત્મા